Okay, let's just take a second to think about how absolutely wild the evolution of AI has been since 2022. I mean, we have literally gone from clunky, basic chatbots to complete digital ecosystems practically overnight. There are tools launching every single day that compress tasks that used to take us hours, weeks, or even years into mere seconds. So today, we are unpacking a source that dives into one of the absolute best workflow tools out there right now, Claude AI. I absolutely love this metaphor from our source material. It says, it will work for you like Aladdin's magic lamp. And, this isn't just some marketing exaggeration. If you actually know how to ask the right questions, this tool can quite literally grant your practical wishes. It's like having a genius assistant ready to solve complex problems and build things you might not have the technical skills to build yourself. So here is our roadmap for this explainer. We'll start by meeting your digital Aladdin's lamp, then look at basic prompts and multilingual magic. After that, we'll cover vision and image analysis, building with Claude artifacts, custom projects and integrations, and finally, mastering your AI skills. Let's dive right in. Section 1. Meet your digital Aladdin's lamp. So, what is the whole shebang all about? Well, for starters, it is incredibly accessible. You can get started entirely for free just by logging in with a regular old Google account. Think of it as a highly capable, incredibly fast digital assistant. Whether you need help coding a website, writing an essay, throwing together a resume, or figuring out exactly why your programming code keeps throwing an error, it is completely designed to handle complex tasks smoothly and effortlessly. Now, you might be wondering, who is this actually for? What's really fascinating in the source material is that Claude isn't just reserved for tech experts or software engineers. Just looking at these use cases, it is literally built for everyone. A student can get help breaking down complex medical studies, a shopkeeper can use it to track inventory, and a content creator can generate full video scripts. It's designed to be your expert partner, totally regardless of what your daily routine looks like. Okay, so here's the burning question. How does it stack up against ChatGPT? Have you ever read an email or a LinkedIn post and immediately thought, yep, an AI definitely wrote this? ChatGPT kind of has this specific, obvious signature, the heavy use of emojis and those large, obvious dashes everywhere. Well, Claude is fundamentally different. Its outputs have this remarkably human-like feel to them. It uses a much more natural tone and writing style, which means you can use its content for professional emails or creative scripts without it instantly screaming artificial intelligence. Section 2. Basic prompts and multilingual magic. This is a massive relief for so many people. You absolutely do not need to be fluent in English to get the most out of this tool. If your native language is Urdu, Hindi, Spanish, or anything else, you just type your prompt naturally in that language. It processes your request and then responds perfectly in that exact same language. It completely adapts to you, not the other way around. And this case study brilliantly illustrates that power. The source shares this fantastic example where a user typed a really simple prompt in Urdu, asking for an Instagram Reel script to sell a wooden mobile stand. And Claude didn't just spit out a bunch of words. No, it generated actual visual scene directions. It suggested showing a tired user bending over their phone, rubbing a stiff neck, followed by the spoken dialogue, and then wrapped the whole thing up with a strong call to action. It essentially acted like an entire creative director for the shoot. Section 3. Vision and image analysis. Okay, so what happens when we go beyond text? The workflow for visual analysis is actually incredibly intuitive. If you have a visual problem, you literally just take a screenshot or a photo, upload it using the little plus icon, and then tell Claude what you want it to do with that specific image. Within seconds, and I mean seconds, you get a highly detailed, custom solution based entirely on that visual data. The practical applications here will absolutely blow your mind. The source material shares this amazing example of taking a simple, flat infographic about morning routines, uploading it, and asking Claude to turn it into a complete, compelling YouTube video script. It looked at the abstract concepts in the image and instantly translated them into a fluid, spoken narrative. You can also use this to snap a photo of a math problem and get the solution, summarize a really dense newspaper clipping, or break down highly complex study assignments. Section 4. Building with Claude artifacts. All right, now we are entering the real game changer territory. This is where things get truly unique to Claude. Artifacts acts as a dedicated, interactive side window workspace. Instead of just dumping a giant wall of raw code into your chat when you ask it to build something, it instantly generates, renders, and stores functional code or visual websites right next to your conversation in real time. To really put that into perspective, look at how ridiculously simple this prompt from the source is. It says, make a portfolio site, My name is Faisal Shabir. I am a content creator. Build dummy packages for brand promotions. That's it. With just that one brief conversational sentence, you are instructing the AI to do a professional developer's job.
And the actual deliverables are astounding. Listen, even if you have literally zero coding knowledge, artifacts can build complete HTML websites, functional web apps, interactive portfolio sites, and even the framework for Android applications. Think about that for a second. Normally, you would have to spend thousands of rupees and wait weeks to hire a developer for this kind of stuff. Claude just does it instantly, right in front of your eyes.
And the best part? You are never stuck with the first draft. You can effortlessly iterate on it. In the source example, after generating version 1 of that portfolio site, the user just casually asked Claude to change the theme to light green and pink, and to throw in some premium animations. Claude immediately rewrote the code in the artifacts window to reflect that. Plus, it safely saves every single version, so you can just toggle between version 1 and version 2 with a single click to see which one you like best.
Section 5. Custom projects and integrations.
Okay, this brings us to a massive time saver, the projects feature. A project is basically a customized workspace within Claude, and it solves one of the biggest frustrations with AI, having to repeat yourself. It is such a relief to not have to re-explain your workflow every single time you log in. Inside a project, Claude actually remembers your specific, permanent instructions and any reference files you've uploaded. This ensures that every time you ask a question, you get incredibly consistent, highly targeted outputs tailored to your exact needs.
Let's break down this concept to see how universally applicable projects are. Say you're a content creator. You could make a YouTube project and upload your channel analytics and keyword research. A medical student could upload their huge textbooks and past assignments. A business owner could upload their sales data and client profiles. Before Claude even attempts to answer any new question in these projects, it analyzes your specific uploaded data first. It speaks your language and understands your unique context. And honestly, it gets even crazier because it doesn't stop with just uploaded files. You can actually connect your external apps directly to Claude. This integration capability is just unreal. You can securely link your Gmail to have Claude instantly summarize or translate incoming emails as they arrive. You can connect your Google Drive and ask Claude to hunt down the details of some random spreadsheet you haven't looked at in 2 years. You can even hook up powerful professional tools like Figma, Notion, and HubSpot directly into your workflow. Section 6. Mastering your AI skills. As we wrap up this explainer, let's talk about the ultimate level of control. In the settings, you have access to some incredible advanced customization options. You can give Claude permanent, global instructions across the board. For example, explicitly telling it to always provide unbiased, factual answers without taking SATs. But even more impressively, you can create entirely new skills. By uploading your own specific training documents or videos, you are essentially programming a bespoke AI tailored strictly to how you think and work, all without writing a single line of code.
AI is the future, guys, and ignoring it basically just means falling behind. But you now understand how to leverage this incredibly powerful tool, going all the way from basic native language prompts to building complete interactive websites in an instant. So it is time to stop endlessly scrolling and start actually experimenting. The magic lamp is literally sitting right in front of you on your desk right now. So I'm going to leave you with this final exciting question. What will you ask it to build first?